Paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video. It's Josefine here for HipKit Club with a new process video. And in this process video I made this scrapbook layout. And this layout is Moodboard inspired. And challenge is use a butterfly, include a butterfly, and use a cut file and mixed media. So I decided to use the cut file of the butterfly. So I cut the butterfly out from cardstock, but also from acetate. So I cut the butterfly 2 times with my Cricut maker. Once with I'm cut out from white cardstock, and the second butterfly that I cut out with my Cricut maker is from acetate. So here we start with the background, and I'm using some distress oxide. The color is broken china, and I apply my ink with acrylic background stamp. You can use every background stamp of your choice. I draw the butterfly with a pencil on my white cardstock, so I know where I want to have my ink under the wings, one wing of the butterfly. And here I'm using a little piece of plastic for the package technique, and I splatter some ink, distress ink, using my brush and making some splatters on my scrapbook page. For this layout I'm using the April HipKits month kit, and I'm using some wood grain paper from the Maggie Holmes collection, and I ruffle the edges. I cut out a hexagon from the design paper, ruffle the edges with my distress etcher, and with a pencil and my ruler I make some lines around the edges, and with my sewing machine and some golden thread I stitch the edges from my hexagon. Here I'm using my acetate butterfly as a stencil on my background, and I added some washi tape on my acetate butterfly on the wings, so the butterfly stay in place when I'm using it as a stencil. The color distress oxide that I use is faded jeans, and with my blending tool I apply the oxide on my background. And here I'm using my butterfly acetate like a mask, so I added some of this oxide on the acetate butterfly, and with some distress oxide and some water I make it a little bit wet, and I make a circle. I apply the stencil several times on my background. So this is how I made my mixed media background from one wing butterfly. Now it's time to color my acetate butterfly, and I'm using alcohol ink for that. The color alcohol ink is butterscotch that I use, and I apply also some clear extender. So you can blend the alcohol inks with each other, and I choose a second color for alcohol ink for this butterfly, to color this butterfly, and that is the blue, the color Baya blue from Pineta. And again I'm using some clear extender to blend the colors perfect with each other, and I like the results of a colored acetate butterfly on my project. So now it's time to add my hexagon on my scrapbook page. So I'm using some 3D foam for my hexagon and my the butterfly from cardstock. I put it on top of my hexagon. The photo that I use is from my son, and it's a photo that I take on the beach in the summer. I'm cut some design paper to size and put it behind the photo of my son. Here I take the acetate butterfly and place it on top of the white cardstock butterfly. So I'm creating more dimension in my scrapbook page. And now it's time to decorate my scrapbook page further with some die cuts, some flower die cuts, and some stickers and some paper flowers. For my butterflies, I'm using some edge shaped tape to put my butterflies on my scrapbook page. Also for the acetate butterfly, I'm using some edge shaped tape. I love the effect of acetate on my scrapbook pages, and of course the aqua ink really makes it very beautiful. I think my butterfly is the eye catcher of this layout. So here I'm using some die cuts, some flower die cuts, and the blue flowers, I cut them out from the design paper from the Maggie Holmes collection from the Hip Kids April. I love the April Hip Kids because there is a lot of Maggie Holmes stuff in it, and I'm a very big fan of the Maggie Holmes collections, so definitely one of my fave kits. Here I'm a little bit busy with my butterfly, how I want my butterfly on this page. I'm a little bit struggle because I wanted to see my mixed media background a little bit more, so I decided to put my hexagon a little bit to the right. And now I'm decorating my page further with all the beautiful die cuts and stickers. The paper flowers that I use for this page are from the March kit, but you can match the paper flowers perfect with the April kit. The colors blue and pink are a perfect match with this page, so I definitely wanted to use some paper flowers on my scrapbook page. I glued my paper flowers on my scrapbook layout and using some tacky glue. It's a very strong glue, and they hold the paper flowers perfect in place on my scrapbook page. So now I make a little cluster under my hexagon using some die cuts and some labels, and also I'm using a little heart for the decoration under my hexagon. this page I made a half round, a circle with a pencil for the title, and here I added some strass stones. The puffy stickers from the Maggie Holmes collection. I love the puffy stickers, the mini puffy stickers, the butterflies, and the little bee that I want to use on this scrapbook page. And when my puffy stickers have place on my layout, I start with the title for this scrapbook page, and it will be a black alpha set from an earlier Hip Kids Club kit. And the title that I made on this page is Summer Sunshine. It's a very big title, and that is the reason that I place my title in a circle on my scrapbook page. When I'm done with my scrapbook title, I'm using some white acrylic paint and mix it with a little bit of water and make splashes on my scrapbook page. I love the splashes, white splashes on my scrapbook page. I love the festive look of it on my pages. So when I'm done with my white acrylic paint, then I apply a little bit of Distress Oxide Faded Jeans color on a little bit of plastic, and with my brush I made some splatters again on my scrapbook page. So after this video I decided to stitch the edges of my scrapbook page with my sewing machine, and that was the last part. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun, and tell me if you have any questions. Don't forget to visit the blog and the Facebook group of the Hip Kit Club for beautiful inspiration, and I wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye!